Good morning. I have been out for a while. I'm sorry. It is Wednesday, the 11th. I was supposed to leave last weekend. We were going to go down to Cartersville and pick up a steel load, take it down to Laredo, and I ended up being extremely sick all last week, so none of that happened. We did manage to get out of the house on Sunday. Monday morning we picked up the steel that we have on here right now from Arkansas. We're out here in Emporia, Virginia. We're going to deliver this morning, and I don't know what I'm doing yet. I haven't found anything. There's some stuff out there, but none of it I really like. I'm waiting on a couple loads right now that are bid loads to see kind of what happens with them. We might do one of those, but as of right now I don't have anything else, so we're getting our stuff together here. We're gonna go deliver this morning and go somewhere. I don't know yet. We can take a look at this though. These are pretty easy. I like loading over there. Normally, I'll throw all my chains and then I'll do straps in between these chains. I still wasn't feeling real great, so I just put chains on there for this one. It's got 9 pieces of securement on it still, so it's plenty fine. That's less I have to put away this morning. It's starting to rain. That'll be fun this morning. So, get back in here. That's kind of what's been going on. The videos should start being kind of regular again after that week off we had, so hopefully we'll find something today. Something will pop up for either tomorrow or Friday, that we can load to get out of here. So we're just kind of playing this trip by ear, but I'm gonna get off here, get the rest of this together. We're gonna get over there and we'll get this unloaded, and we'll see y'all here in a little bit. All right. Well, that's done. So much for avoiding the rain, but we're empty. All right, it's Thursday the 12th. We delivered our steel yesterday, and then we came over here to Virginia Beach today, and we got super sacks, and these are going to Alvin, Texas, over by Houston. So we just got these on. Got it all tarped up here. I managed to just use one. I just used the front tarp so I didn't have to drag out both. It covers it. It covers it enough. You'll notice here in the back, you'll have a little bit. It's windy out here. You'll have a little bit. But those are sealed right there. So the tops, which are the most important part, are all covered up. So that's good. We're about to leave here, and this delivers on Monday. So that's at a weekend load. It's paying pretty good too. So we're getting wrapped up here. We're gonna go over to North Carolina and probably get fuel and take a shower, and we'll go from there. We'll see y'all here in a little bit. All right. Well, to take the fender off because it's cracked right on the mount, so now it looks a little weird. So there's a little excitement for the day. Guess I'll have to try to find a mount. The fender itself is okay, but that mount where it slides over the post got a pretty good stress fracture in it, and it's just dangling, so I took it off because it's probably going to fall off. So we're going to look a little lopsided for a little bit, but we'll get it figured out. It'll be all right. So we're in Carnesville, Georgia right now. We just finished up a 30. So we're gonna get back out here and go down to the Petro in McCullough, Alabama, sit there for the night, and then work our way down to Houston over the weekend. And yeah, we'll see y'all here in a little bit. All right, well, we lost the fender today and took that off, and now we lost the tire. I had one of the rear axle on the trailer went down. It caught something in the road, I bet, and went down, just shredded the inside. So we were about 5 miles from this McGriff tire here in Oxford, Alabama. We pulled in here, they had one, they got me right in. We're about to leave here. I like these guys. They got one in Laverne and one down near Huntsville that I do a lot of business with. So McGriff Tire, they're awesome people. So we're done with that. We just got the new tire on. So now we're gonna try to go make it to McCullough finally. So we'll see y'all here in a little bit. Alright, what is happening, y'all? It is Saturday the 14th. We're in Mississippi, just across from Louisiana. We're at exit 1. We're at Love's. Load's riding pretty good. We got down here, I don't know, 30, 45 minutes ago. We're gonna have an early day today because I need to get this video put together. We're gonna make our way down into Baytown, closer to Houston tomorrow. This is delivering Monday morning. I don't have anything else yet, but I think something will come up tomorrow. Here's a tire that we got the other day. Nice and new, and the tread on these actually matches my Yokohamas pretty well. So I still have one mismatch. We'll get it one day. So that wasn't too off a bad. They got me in and out of there pretty quick. Stuff just happens. I think it caught something in the road, went down, and just shredded the inside of that sidewall. So we got that done. We got our fender strapped up here still. I may try to get to my buddy's place up in East Texas and see if maybe we can weld this up temporarily. I have ordered a new bracket, but I got to get to the house to get that. You guys can see the crack on it there. So we're going to try to get that fixed so I can at least get it off the trailer. I got room right now, but I don't know how long it's going to last. So I'm going to try to get that done somewhere. I can get that mounted back on, get the other bracket when I get back to the house, and we'll get that on. I may end up getting new fenders anyway. I haven't decided yet. Changing them up, getting a different style. But we're going to go ahead and we're going to make this into a video now and get that out here in a little bit. And we will pick this up probably Monday when we start dropping these super sacks off. We'll see what comes up after that, and we'll see y'all later. Thanks for watching.